In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on the Binance iPhone app. Before we get started, make sure you're already logged into the app, your internet connection is stable, and you have access to both your old phone number and the new one, since you'll need to receive text messages on each. Keeping both devices nearby will make this quick and smooth. Open the Binance app on your iPhone and log in if you haven't already. From the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. In that menu, tap Profile to open your account settings, then select Security. This is where Binance keeps all your protection options in one place. Next, tap Phone Number to manage the number linked to your account. You'll see an option to change it. Tap the Change icon, which looks like a pencil. Binance will show some terms related to this update. Read them, tick the required checkboxes to agree, and tap Continue. Agreement is necessary to proceed, since changing your number affects how you log in and verify important actions. Now enter your new phone number. Be sure to choose the correct country code and type the number exactly as it's registered with your carrier. If the app flags a formatting issue, double-check the country code and avoid extra spaces or leading zeros that aren't needed. Next, complete SMS verification on your old number. Binance will send a one-time code to that phone. Don't share this code with anyone. Codes are time-sensitive, so enter it promptly. If you don't receive the message, wait a moment, check your signal, and use the resend option after the cooldown period. After that, complete SMS verification on your new number. This confirms you can actually receive texts there. Again, enter the code as soon as it arrives. If the code doesn't come through, ensure the new phone has service and that you selected the right country code. Once both verifications are done, tap Submit. You should see a confirmation that your phone number has been updated. From now on, Binance will use this new number for login confirmations and security alerts. Keep in mind that changing security details can sometimes trigger temporary restrictions or cooldowns for withdrawals as a protective measure, which is normal. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number in the Binance iPhone app. If you can't access your old number, you'll need to follow Binance's account recovery process, but for this walkthrough, you're all set.